In this video, I'll be taking you through a simple step-by-step of how to prepare your chicken fajitas. And if we do this today, I would have saved about $15 to $18 or $20. If you do it only daily, you would have saved $100 and you push that money straight to your credit card debt. That said and done, let's get down to the real process. Yeah, right. And with today's ingredients, I do have chicken breast, as you can see it right here. I do have my lemon. You can also use lime. I do have my red onions. You can use the sweet onions or the white onions. Then I do have the bell pepper, the green one, the yellow one. The only one that's lacking is the red pepper or bell pepper. Then for the spices, I do have myself the curry powder that I love so much. Then I do have the all-purpose seasoning. I don't want to mention the brand because this is my channel. They have to give me some money. Then I do have salt. Very, very simple. Of course, with the items to use, your lemon squeezer should be right there. If you don't have any, the QR code, I beg your pardon, QR code on your screen right there takes you straight to Dennomatic Essentials, a storefront where you'll find most of the items that will help you in even a better well-being. Then the mixing bowl, I'll be using that one. Then of course, the bowl that I'll be using to wash is right here. A very sharp knife, but do it safely, and the chopping board, and this bad boy air fryer. So this is method one that I'm going to teach you today in this video. Then the next video, I'll be teaching you the second method where I do it right on the cooker and using just a frying pan before the air fryer was ever invented. The purpose of the video is to put more money in your pocket. So let's get this started. You want to wash it good, so well. Make sure there isn't any blood that is left right there in this chicken breast, because one thing for sure, I also don't like that. You see that? So that's it, and that's the first one. Wash, pour that out, do the second wash. If you had kept this in the freezer, you should have taken it out overnight so that you do not waste power in your house. So wash your chicken breast so well. Pour out that water. Wash the third time. Yeah. Everything gotta be clean because we do not know where all this comes from. You know, all we do is to buy. So at this point in time, you want to wash everything, you know. Then now we're going to start chopping as we put in our mixing bowl, I beg your pardon. You want to chop only strips, you know. Do that carefully and make sure you don't chop yourself, you know. Your fingers might go along with the strips of chicken. Remember, we're doing fajitas, so we want to do those long strips right there. See that? We want to save some money today, yeah? See that? Put that right there. This looks like a big one, so you want to reduce it. Just want to reduce this one into smaller pieces. Yeah. Chop them out into strips. Be mindful of your fingers, guys. See that? Chicken fajitas is what we're doing. But here, when you scan the QR code on your screen, it's gonna take you straight to my stove front where you can get all the problem solvers for your chicken and everything that you can use in life. See that? Doot, doot, doot. This is the size that I love with these fajitas. You know, I don't want those small strips, but then I'll do some more chopping. Quick, 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 quick. Yep, 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 yep. Put them right in the bowl. This looks like a very small bowl, so I will have to change to maybe another one. So this is how they look in this bowl. Look at that. Now that you have cut your strips of chicken breast, it's time to cut some veggies right there in the same format. So what you simply do is chop the end, chop right there in the middle, chop another middle like that, take off all We have the veggies ready. I told you before, you can use your white onions, and of course always try to use the 3 bell peppers, all the 3 colors. It makes the art right there of the food look so delicious and nice. Now that I realize I have a small mixing bowl, I need to get another one. I need to buy another one real quick. Then I have to utilize this big one. I hate using plastic to mix up things, but now it's time to marinate. It's time for the process that makes it delicious. You get your strips, boom, there you go. Then what you do, get all your veggies, pour in there. Then what you do is you start getting 1 spoonful Make sure you mix everything well. You don't have to put in a lot of spices. It's just enough. Look at the color. See that? That's how I like it. Other people love it, to be red and all that, but I don't like it, Too many spices is also not so healthy. Use or regulate your spices. Make sure you use all your veggies so that they are done, because we're not making any loss right here, So at this point, you want to get your your lemon, I beg your pardon. Make sure you do store your cut fruits in these cut fruit containers. You know, you just press it right there, then. So when you want to use it, open it, and now you want to get your lemon squeezer. As you can see in the background, I buy a lot of lemon. Everything I eat has to have some lemon in it because it's very healthy. It helps in cutting fats down, you see. So pour in all that kind of juice. Half is enough. Don't put a whole lemon because it might lose, you know, it might taste like lemon too much. It's also not good. So what you do, mix again. Mix again. Make sure all the juice is done well. Mix, 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 mix till you lose patience. That's what they say. At this point, you want to get your bad boy air fryer right here and now. That's how we're going to prepare it. I told you this is method 1, and in the next video, I'll teach you the real traditional method of how to prepare chicken fajitas. If you don't have an air fryer and you need one, the QR code is right on your screen. If you scan it, you go straight to my storefront. So you want to take out that plate. This is one hack I'm going to teach you. Instead of over or getting food stuck under beneath your air fryer, you want to take out this rack right here, the tray, then get your foil paper and simply cut out a sizable size, then wrap it over like this. You want to see where, see that? So I'm still doing research about foil papers. They say they're not so good for cooking, but I'm about to get a solution. So if you're not comfortable with it, please don't use it. So this is how it looks like, right? Then place it back in the air fryer like that. That's how it looks. At this point in time, we are gonna pour our fajitas. They're so juicy, juicy. Pour them in there. At this point, you want to get something to start in here. Just give me a second. I got one. Take everything out plus all the juice, because that's what makes it happen. Pour it in there. Don't leave anything. And boom. You want to give it one more stir, a little bit, then spread it out like that. And that's how it looks like inside. At this point in time, place it back in the air fryer. Connect your air fryer. As you see, this is a touch screen. You want to choose what you're cooking. So I'm going to choose about 10 minutes fast because I need to check on it and see how it's doing. Then choose chicken and boom, we start. At this point in time, I want to pour myself a cup of tea because I need to prepare my stomach for the chicken fajitas. Do click subscribe on Dennomatic TV. We'll be right back. Your 30 minutes lunch break has now been upgraded with this electric lunchbox that comes with an AC and DC power outlet for you to warm your food, plus a spoon and a fork. Comes with 2 plugs, one to charge directly in your car and another one directly to your power outlet. Not forgetting these 2 containers, one to separate your food, or you can choose to mix your food and keep it warm. Plus this insulated storage bag just to keep everything in there warm. and safe. You can now put more money in your pocket by clicking the link below or click the link in my bio or go straight to my YouTube channel and watch the full video tutorial. At this point, we're having a countdown right now and we want to check on our chicken fajitas. If you're just joining in, we were preparing simple chicken fajitas and now we want to see how it looks. So far, it's been 10 minutes in the air fryer and I want to check on it. Who is excited? So I want to pull it out and look at that. So far, this is what we have. This is how it looks like. So you want to give it another star like that. Turn it around. Turn it around. Very simple. This is a meal that can just take you about 30 minutes to prepare if you know what you're doing. So we go in for another 10 minutes. Tap right there. Tip. Giving it 10 minutes. Yes, told you the purpose of such videos is to put more money in your pocket. Picture the scene. If you've ordered for pizza today, you would have spent about $25 plus a tip of $3. If you do that every day, that's a lot of money getting out of your pocket. But if you have such simple tutorials, you can just cook food right in the comfort over your home. It's just a step-by-step simple tutorial like this one that you can share with a friends and family who are spending so much money on food. Because I'm living in the United States of America, one expensive item to buy because it's a basic need, it's food, but people don't realize it's even expensive because they give you a comfortable price that you can spend on each and every day. More recipes are here on Dennomatic TV to come, from the breakfast recipes, lunch recipes, dinner recipes, snacks, health remedies, cleaning hacks. As you can see, I'm going to use my apartment to change your life and also my life because I'm all about 360 wellness. Now picture the scene. However much you work out, however much you go to gym, but then you do not know how to eat well, you're wasting time. If you are fit and healthy, but you live in a dirty environment, then you will get sick still. So we want to go in all sectors of wellness, even finance. I have a little financial products tutorials that to tell you how to save more money, put more money in your pocket. What finance products that you can use to actually change your life. We're here for a better well-being. Dennomatic TV, do click subscribe as we wait for almost 7 minutes on our chicken fajitas. Very simple step-by-step tutorials and you save yourself $18 to $20. If you still chop your veggies like this, you better save your time and fingers by purchasing this bad boy chopper that will give your food a professional look with just one press. Click the link below or the link in my bio to check it out. Right, as you can see, I've already prepared my plate and I want to test my homemade chicken fajitas, not ordered from a restaurant. I didn't use Uber Eats. I didn't use any DoorDash. I decided to stay right in the comfort zone of my apartment to prepare chicken fajitas. We did 10 minutes before. We've done 10 minutes, but at a different level over heat. The other one was 370. Now we gave it a 400. If you're just joining in right now, you can do click subscribe. I told you I'm gonna give you all the recipes from breakfast, lunch, dinner. So I'm excited to check. Hope this did not get messed up as it was in there for another 10 minutes. Wow! Now we have a golden brown, guys. Look at that. a golden brown. I want to see how it looks like at the bottom, right? Because I don't want my veggies to just dry. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, man. At this point in time, I want to get my testing fork. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna put it right here. I just want to make sure that what I've prepared has come out good, right? So, let me see. Guys, we are there. The salt on point. The seasoning on point. 10 minutes first round. Another 10 minutes second round. So those are 20 minutes. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it more 5 minutes. As I start right here. Just 5 minutes. Because I had to turn it around. Chicken fajitas, ladies and gentlemen. 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes. That's how helpful the air fryer is. Technology has changed. Amen. You gotta get one as you use my QR code on the screen right there. Share this recipe with a friend. I'm about to serve it right here on my plate. And boom. Time check, 3:43 p.m. It's too late for me to eat, so which means I won't have dinner if I eat right now. Nice. Yeah. Let's wait for these 5 minutes as we return right here. All the links are in the description below. And you can also check out my podcast that is Think Beyond Friday Night on Spotify, Amazon, and iHeartRadio. Amen. There's some motivation for you, some mental wellness for you to get, because that's all we need to keep moving. Knowledge is all we need to keep moving. Chicken fajitas, 3 more minutes. And I start to eat. Yeah, at this point in time, the fajitas are ready. Look at this. I'm just about to serve. The scent, if you ask me what I'm smelling right now, I can smell the scent of the onions. I can smell the bell pepper. I can smell the seasoning. Everything nicely done. As you can see, I did not use a lot of spices. It's just golden brown, tasty. The salt is right as it's supposed to be. For now, my plate is prepared and I'm about to start serving. Boom, look at this. I tilted it, a little soup right there. Yeah, more bell paper. Zing. I want all my fajitas. Yay! All right. Now, I want to test. And this side looks like on your plate.